This is for our ongoing class. We're working on the song, I Don't Know Why I Love You, But I Do. And we're talking about how we can fill the holes in the arrangement. And these are spots in the song where we're not singing. So we can concentrate on doing something a little fancier on the ukulele. And this happens in each stanza. We have a D minor chord that is played for two measures, and we have a C chord that is played for two measures. And so we can fill it with some finger picking notes. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to come in closer and show you. I'm strumming, let me put this in context. Looking at stanza one, I don't know why I love you, but I do feel. I don't know why I cry so, but I do feel. So we've got those spots that we can do something a little fancier. Now, the first the first fill is over a D minor chord. The word we're singing is do, and then we have this gap, this space. So I'm strumming down on that do like this, and then I'm immediately getting to my finger picking position like so. Thumb plucking down, and my other three fingers, not the baby finger, are underneath the strings, ready to come up. Now the thing to remember is we're making a D minor chord. Each one of these notes is good to throw into an improvisation. We are not adding any extra notes right now. And so there's just so many possibilities of mixing and matching. But let's just start off with the most basic foundation here. We're going to strum down on the do, and then I'm just going to pluck the A string on the beat as a fill. Let me show you. I don't know why I love you, but I do. Now keep going. I don't know why I cry so, but I do. So we're switching back really fast between strumming and finger picking. So if this is new to you, just stay at this level of making that switch and just playing one note on the beat. Now, we could fancy that up by changing the rhythmic component of that note. So watch this. I don't know why I love you, but I do. I don't know why I cry so, but I do. And you got yourself a fill. That's one note. What if we add the E note and just toggle back and forth however the mood hits you? 2, 3, 4. I don't know why I love you, but I do. I don't know why I cry so, but I do. Or and add more of a rhythmic variation. I don't know why I love you, but I do. I don't know why I cry so, but I do. I only know. That's two notes. What if we add three notes, three strings? The A string, the E string, and the C string. 2, 3, 4. I don't know why I love you, but I do. What if we add all four strings? 2, 3, 4. I don't know why I love you, but I do. I don't know why I cry so, but I do. I only, and you see, you've got yourself an improvisational fill, and you can do it different each time. The thing to remember is we're using what we've got. You're just making a D minor chord, you're using those four strings in the D minor chord. When we switch to the C, you're using the four strings in the C chord. They're all good, and you get to have fun.